Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. This is Mt.Bandilaan National Park with a fantastic observation view deck. This is the highest place in Siquijor Island. That means from here you can see the entire Siquijor Island. Wow, look at the view. That looks very beautiful. So get ready. First we take a look at the map. This is the Larina Strait. You can see from the last video. From here I am going to Mt.Bandilaan National Park. This is the Siquijor Island. So we are going to Mt.Bandilaan. That is the highest mountain in the Siquijor Island. It is only 14 km from Larina Strait. On the way you can see butterfly sanctuary. This information I didn't know before, so I missed it, but you don't have to because it is on the way. If you guys didn't see the video of Larina Strait, please go and check it out. That video available in my channel right now. After visiting Larina Strait, me and JR drive through to Bandilaan mountain. Today the climate is not bad. It is a partially sunny day and it is 9 o'clock. On the way there is a lot of scenic view because from hill we are riding downwards. The ride took almost like 30 minutes. We are close to Bandilaan National Park. I thought this is the place, but this is not the place. This place give a vibe like a small resort coming over here. They are very well maintained, but no people over here right now. Only I can see the caretaker of this place. It is away from the city life and very quiet. I wonder this place how look like in the night. I started to explore this place. They have a restroom over there. If you want to use it, you have to pay 5 pesos. Meanwhile, JR getting direction from the caretaker how to go to the observation view deck. The caretaker informed us just only half a kilometer from there. So we drive for another half a kilometer. We found the place. For the observation deck, you have a staircase. Along the way, you have a sitting bench also available. Look at that. The tree smacked on the bench. The bench completely destroyed. I hope no one injured. Imagine this place. If I come alone, I don't think so I will find this place. That's why you need a local driver to explore the island. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
High steep. How many steps this one?
It is almost like a 200 step to climb up, and you have to take a right turn.
Yeah, we're here. Look at that. You won't believe it. This is the high point of Siquijor, this island. You know what they put in the high point of Siquijor? This. They put this on the high point of Siquijor.
I really admire their beliefs. I believe in Jesus also.
That's the first level.
I really very excited to go to the next level because each and every level reveal the island little by little.
Okay. And there is a fourth level. Very windy, at the same time very high point of Siquijor.
Look at the place, how beautiful it is. So the sun is beaming from this side. Imagine there is no cloud in a clear day. That view will be mind-blowing. But currently you have a lot of clouds. That white point is a Larina Strait. You can check out the drone video of that place in the last video. We came from there to here less than 45 minutes. It is actually fast because it's a hill station. In the morning 7 o'clock we start our journey from there to here. This place is very windy, so I scared to fly my drone, but I came this far. Meet Mr. JR. He's a very nice guy. He's a cook. Today his day off. He agreed to drive me around. Without JR, I don't think so I can go there. I must thank the guy. You can see the third person. He also wanted to take a drone video, but last time he flew the drone over here. The drone was taken by the high wind, so he lost it. So he didn't fly the drone this time. I take his advice. I only fly for a very short time. Even though it is very windy, I took a risk and get this shot. Really, this observation deck is a fantastic place. Look at that. If you are visiting Siquijor Island, this is the top 5 place to go. The view really breathtaking. You cannot explain in the words. At the same time, in the wind, if you lose your drone, I don't think so you can find it, because you can see the thick forest, very hard to find it. I just take a couple of shots. I left from there. I highly recommend this place, but I won't recommend if you're coming alone over here. Now the time almost like 9:20. It is a sunny day, but lot of clouds are there. That's why you can see lot of shadows. Either way, I'm very happy to came over there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. That's it. We are leaving this place. The last